Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a beef Wellington. Okay, first, whipped cream into butter. That's a pint of cream. Throw it on your saran wrap on your pan. Put saran wrap on the top. And then pat it down, throw it in the fridge. Okay. 4 cups of pastry flour, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cane sugar, a stick of soft unsalted butter, some lemon juice, and of course, add water if necessary just to get it going. And then of course, knead, roll, knead, roll. And then of course, you're going to be wrapping this up, same deal, and putting it in the fridge. 2 to 7 hours later, pull it out, and you're going to be rolling it out, and you're going to be making your first dip here. You're going to be putting the butter on it, and you're going to do it in thirds, so there's 2 layers of butter, and there you have it. And then it's going to be the usual thing. You're just going to be rolling this out and throwing some flour on it as the butter squishes out the side. Roll, fold, and then into the fridge. Alright, this is like the 3rd time it's come out, and this will be the final roll for this. It just takes time to do these things, that's all. And I'm using Big Eddie, my Big Eddie roller there. And not my tapered pen, because you really need the muscle to do this. Pastry flour is pretty thick. Anyways, same deal. You're going to be rolling this out, and then saran wrap, and then back into the fridge. While the dough is doing its final chill, I'm going to show you how to make the duxelle. This is 1.5 pounds of oyster mushrooms. You're going to be chopping it really fine. Olive oil and butter in the pan. Drink a little wine. I found some thyme and oregano in the garden, so I threw that in there. And you can pick through it and take some of the the funny stuff out, and then fork the rest of it and get it ready to cool. As our mushroom paste cools, it's time for the red sauce. Red sauce consists of shallots, beef trimmings, black and Sichuan peppercorns, nice, bottle of wine, red Zinfandel, I'm using the old vine red Zin that I like so much, and then a quart of beef stock, and it's going to be like a double reduction, first the wine and then the beef stock. Anyways, the shallots, you're going to want to peel them up, you're going to want to slice them into, just like leeks, 1/4-inch slices. Anywho, we're going to throw the beef in there as well. And we got Sichuan and black peppers. Sichuan and black peppers. Now that the wine's reduced, we add the beef stock, get that going, and let that do its thing. As the red sauce does its final reduction, I'm going to show you how to prepare the meat with the parma and duxelle. And now it's time to put the prosciutto ham down, prosciutto di Parma. Very nice. Get your length right, of course. Add your mushroom paste, the duxelle. Exactly the perfect amount. Who would have known? Take your beef, find the top, put it on the bottom, and then wrap it up. Voila. Now, cut the ends so that it tucks nice and neat. And then, of course, you're going to want to tie it. You're going to want it snug, but not overly, tight. Anywho, and that goes in the fridge. And then we go on to straining the red sauce. All right, this is a 100 count muslin cloth in a sieve. We're gonna, stir it around, squeeze the rest of it out, and voila. Squash time. You know how I like squash. Now I'm going to be saving the seeds on this because I need them for my garden. And then we're going to be putting in the stuffing. This is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg blend, molasses, not much, and then of course white wine. Cook at 350 for 2.5 hours. There. Look at that. Incredible. While the squash is in the oven doing its thing, it's time to roll out the puff pastry one final time and get our meat ready for it. All right. Not an easy task. Take your time. Roll it up on the bottom and fold it over just briefly, and then set out your cellophane again. Cut the ends off, and then once that's done, now you can work it. You're going to want to stretch it, pull it out, yeah, and then pull it over. Absolutely. Get it nice and tight. Pinch the ends, same deal. Very nice. And then, of course, sides in first, and then roll it nice. And yes, string it up so that it doesn't flatten out in its own weight while it's in the fridge. And you get good at it, what can I say? 2.5 hours later. Okay, squash out of the oven. Ooh, pretty nice. Looks like nobody's flying standby today. Okay, now, pull out your log, put cornmeal on the bottom of it, roll the bottom onto the bottom. There we go. Peel it off and get it ready to score. Now, this is a fresh razor, of course, and scoring is an art form. I'm not very well practiced in it, but I know a few things, so I'm just going to be doing a leaflet here. Many different ways, books on these things. Anywho, and then we're going to take an egg wash to it. This is going to be egg yolks with water. And then it's going to be going into the oven at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. No more. Quickening the pace. Here it comes. We got 20 minutes. We're going to peel this up. We're going to get this all set and ready and for to be plated. And then we'll be cooking some asparagus too. All right, dinner bell's ready to ring. I got my gloves on. All right, we got the asparagus ready. We got the squash ready. We got the red sauce ready. And all we have to wait for is voila. Out of the oven. Very hot, by the way. And take your time getting it off the stone. Little flyby. Looking good. Pretty nice. Time to plate up. Red sauce. I'm going to be doing an end cut here. And cut it with a confectioner's knife. A friend told me about that. Look at that. Perfectly medium. At least that cut is. It's medium rare in the center. I did it temp already. There it is. Asparagus. Squash. Voila. Little flyby on the log. Whether it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, or you're stuck in a blizzard, beef Wellington works. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving and a happy holiday season. It's beautiful out there. Live it up. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.